What's up, everyone? I'll be like 30 seconds. I'm gonna get my stuff set up so you guys can see what I have. Okay, I don't know if anyone is here yet, but just want to do a quick live video, show you a couple of tools that I have in my house. I normally make these videos and edit them and do all that stuff. I just want to do something live, do something different. So as far as the tools that I have for working out, this is great for someone if you don't have any weights at home, any exercise equipment. I have these cinder blocks or these bricks right here. You can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and pick something up like this to use for exercises, and I'll show you a couple in a second. You also have attachments that you can use. So I'll give you an example. This right here is just like a cord with two carabiners on either side. I have this one that I use to slide weights on top. This is for my pulley system that I can lift up and down. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna attach the carabiner to the other part that holds the weight. I'm going to put this through the hole, and then now you can see I can have this attached. So this could be done at home, wherever you are, for your workouts if you don't have weights. Just to give you an example, this is a handle, an attachment you can use for the gym working out. It's got the little carabiner. All I'd have to do is literally put it together, and now if I want, I can train my arms. Right? If I was standing on something higher, I could do back rows, or you could literally just grab the cinder block by itself and use that to do your exercises. So this is something that's cool that I just started doing today. And again, this could be done, if it isn't a heavy brick, it can be a bag at home. You can just fill it with books, and you can get something like this to attach it to do your workouts. This is an easy curl bar with a carabiner. Connect it, same thing, standing up, and you'll notice even from the side, it's not getting close to my body. So that would be something that you can do, let's say for biceps, or like I said, back. You can also use them for chest. If you want to do push-ups, that'll help you to get more of a stretch, or even dips. What I'd recommend for stability when you go to do the dips, don't have your legs out straight. What I would do is just keep your legs bent when you go to do the exercise, so you don't have to worry about it falling over. Another thing you can do, get this out the way, grabbing this, have it right in front of you, shoulder press, right? Another one that I like to do, see if I can show you from here. I'll have my thumb going on the inside of it, have my fingers going on the outside, and actually use this to work my triceps. I'll go from the side so you can see. Right? Same thing if you're holding onto something. Biceps, it could be groceries from your house. You could use that as well. I did a video yesterday where I had water. I was doing some squats with water. You can also do lunges as well. One-sided, two-sided. That's a couple things. The other thing I want to show you, if you follow me on YouTube or Instagram, you know that I had a shoulder injury. So right here I have my mat on the floor, ab mat. You get these at Ross or like a cheap place, $5-10. Stability ball. These are great even if you're watching TV. It helps you with stabilization of your core, right? What I'm gonna do, put my hands on it and just keep my feet, I'll do it from the side. I'll keep my legs relaxed. I'm just literally rolling my body out. This would be good for anyone that has any shoulder pains. If you want to get more of a stretch, what you want to do is your good hand, keep it down. Just use your bad hand, it'll let you go even lower. And then think of it as a clock. If my arm being straight is 12 o'clock, try to hit different times. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, wherever it hurts. Try to hold that stretch a little bit there and just breathe. And if you're doing like rehab like I am, Don't be afraid to do that as much as possible. When I train now, it's literally, you know, cardio, stretching, doing body weight exercises, going back to stretching, doing cable exercises or weight exercises, going back to different mobility work. I have this rubber ball that I use to rub against the wall, so I'll do that. Also, I have this right here. It's a wooden dowel. So if you're a person that has issues with shoulders, these are great. Since I am tall, I'm 6'2", I need to have something that's going to be longer, so it's easier for me to do. People that have really good flexibility, they can have their hands close and go all the way around. I can't. So I get a nice wide grip, and I'll practice going around, trying to keep my elbow straight. You also have exercises that you can do where you put it behind you, right? Holding it like shoulder width apart. Keep your chest out, push back. This is an exercise to help give you more flexibility in shoulders. And then the last one I'll show you for today, if you look up on IG or YouTube, they have a hashtag that is #stick mobility. So a lot of people use sticks like this to help them with flexibility in their body, especially shoulders. So what I'll do is I'll hold on to the sticks. Same thing. Lean my body into it, keep my elbows straight, relax and breathe. And these are a couple of tools that I'll do. And I'll show you one more thing that I just started doing. You guys know I use the inertia wave. I got these right here. This is actually attached. I'll show you. It's actually attached to the back of my car so I can do my training. Something that I just started doing today with the straps, instead of grabbing them like this, what I'll do is grab them this way, right? Keeping them like this and just running. So that's going to be cardio. That can be something that's done as a warm-up, something as like a high-intensity training at the end, or you could use that as something in between sets if your goal is to burn body fat. And that is pretty much my video for today, my first live video in a long time. The tools that I have, the little bricks, the ball, the inertia wave, the wooden dowel. This is $5 from Home Depot. And then I got a couple accessories that you can use with machines. And that's pretty much it. Be resourceful, be safe, keep practicing social distancing. I hope everyone is doing well, and that is my video for today. Thank you for watching.